It's Grant Ramey. Uh, I have explored many things to help feel better physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. I don't think I want to go through the whole list, but so many things have helped me along the way. I basically got rid of all aches and pains in my body through various processes. Then I realized there was psychological elements, and I went to this therapist, got rid of all his emotional things. I don't feel any difficulties in my life in that way. And I have studied many spiritual things, been with spiritual teachers. I have led spiritual groups. I led workshops in Conversations with God in the book for a couple of years. And then more recently, this one area in my body, in the middle of my back, which has always been something there for me, started to be really intense. And I felt like my energy was just depleted. It was like an anchor on the weight of everything I did. And so I was saying, how can I get relief? So I got massages, almost nothing. I mean, pleasure, it feel good for like 10 minutes. And then I went to this professional chiropractor, energy worker, so on. He did the most amazing work I've ever experienced with anybody. It barely made a difference. I just finished 3 hours with Hanson, and I've had more relief in this area of my body than anything that I've ever experienced. I trusted that when I looked him up, and now I have experienced that. There is a level of change that has freed me in a sense that lets me move on with my life in the way that I know I'm supposed to do. So I'm very grateful.